Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pleasant stories and anecdotes narrated by Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam. Our proclamation. The existence of adversaries is our advertisement. It is their favour that they continue to propagate. It is written in Mathnawī that a thief was stealing from a house. A man saw the thief from the top of his house and said, "What are you doing?" The thief replied, "I am beating a drum." The man replied, "There is no sound from your drumming." The thief replied, "The sound of this drumming shall be heard in the morning, and everyone will hear it. People who oppose me also make noise in the same manner, which in turn informs more people about me."
खुदा के पाक लोगों को खुदा से नुसरत